Great. At this point, once I squeeze, when I click and squeeze, it comes. If I click and expand, it expands, right? And I cannot drag it down. Is the up still progressive? It doesn't look that much to me because I've seen weeks. I can see a week. I can see a week on 4 hour. I'm not seeing the uptrend progressive again. Moreover, take a look at this. You have your EMA here. This is 50, I suppose. Is a mobile resistance. And that's why I actually use my MA. My MA and EMA, they're basically for me to see where price have been rejected, where you can see the crossing here, opportunity here. So I'm literally waiting for crossing here. There are no crossing here yet. If this red crosses the green, there are potential for price to go up. Again, the red can hit the green and it will reject it. Look at it, there was a crossing here. So a sell would have happened from here to here. Let's go back a little bit. There was a crossing here, right? A sell happened from here to here. And the price quickly returned. There was a crossing here too. You saw the massive buying. Yes, massive buying. So the cross are very important. At the same time, looking at my stochastic. Now look at this stochastic. This is my overbought and this is my oversold. Don't you think that price is approaching overbought? It's actually looking like price is overbought, and that's why we've seen these weeks here. So let's go to 1 hour time frame so that we can see these things very well. Okay, great. Now look at it. Price has overbought for a long time, and it's, let's see, it's been overbought since 27th of January. And since that 27th, price has not come there. It has remained there till today, 28th, right? Overbought. And price has remained here. So will price come down? It's showing overbought. So we expect price to retrace and then maybe another up direction. So on 1 hour time frame, here we are. Price has not been able to go above here and it's been consolidating here. This is the next resistance where price will likely break into. So there are no clear direction. Now we know it's an uptrend, but the uptrend is no longer progressive. Maybe because of retracement, market is preparing for a retracement. If you look at it, uptrend, retracement, it went up again. We're yet to see a retracement. Okay, we could call this a retracement and another up. So we're yet to see a retracement, at least to this level. Then we can now begin to look for opportunity to buy. So on stochastic, we might be setting up for a good sell following this. And then on my 1 hour time frame, I haven't gotten an engulfing candle. 1, there's no pin bar to sell. 2, and the doji I see here is a sign of weakness. So anytime you see a doji, it's a sign of weakness. So what candle follows doji? When I get a doji and it's followed by, let me show you, see a doji here, and it's followed by a bullish candle, is a sign that market wants to go up. I'll buy. This is called money star, right? This is money star. This is the money star, a bearish, a doji, and a bullish. They are called money star. Then I want to see an evening star. An evening star is going to be a bullish, a doji, and a bearish. But this is not exactly a doji. And this is a pin bar, an inverted pin bar, right? Here, there's a pin bar here too. So I'm looking for a perfect entry to sell. Until then, I might still be waiting until I get a good perfect condition. Here's another one. You have price came down here. This is an engulfing candle. This completely engulfed this, right? But look at after I engulf, the next candle movement, price went up, got rejected. This completely engulfed this. So at this point, I might want to look to buy because I've seen a candle that engulfs this, right? Let's look for another sell. This is a bullish candle. After a bullish candle, we had a bearish candle. That's quite an entry, bearish. But I will not enter because the size of candle determines the momentum. If you understand what that is, size of candle determines momentum in the market. But this crossing is a good to go, a crossing followed by a bearish candle. And look at it here. At this point, the doji has, so here is my condition, overbought condition here, followed by a bearish candle, followed by a crossing, and I'm good to go. So this crossing by a bearish candle, it's my entry condition. My stop loss will just be somewhere here. If market come back again to the regional resistance, I want to be taken out. Maybe my take profit would have been around here, TP1, TP2, and take profit 3, right? Okay. Any question before we do some practical? Just go and go to the chart too. And so basically what you now do is to go take the trade, because we've done, this is basically the charting. We're using trading view to do the charting. You can as well use your Bybit account to do the charting. Okay, so here we are. So this is the same charting, but I prefer a trading view so that I can have an overview of everything. This part trading view. So price is looking to against all odds, because this pin bar is an indication that price wants to go up. But here is the thing: anytime you have a pin bar followed by an inverted pin bar, what it means that the market has changed direction. Let me see where I can find this again. If you get a pin bar and after the market goes against it, the last direction is the last signal is the direction of the market. I have anything like that to show you. Okay, look at this. After a rejection followed by market in that direction, I will gladly jump on this. Yes, market did a retracement, but you see it later went up. Right? Okay, great. Look at this. Look at this. This is an indication that price wants to reverse and go up. But after this candle, it followed by a bearish candle. This is a confirmation that the bear still persists. And see what? A push up saw market continue to go down. And if you get to here, you saw that this eventually went down. Right? Okay. Now look at this. This an inverted, this is a rejection in the up direction. So you think price will continue to go up, but at the close of you saw another candle showing, it means that price wants to continue to push up, and it did. Right? Look at here. It pushed down, followed by a bearish candle. Did price go down? Yes, it went down. So anytime you see a rejection, note the direction where the market goes after the rejection. Is important. Find out what direction did it go after the rejection. So okay, so any questions so far? I don't understand. Let's hear you. I don't understand. Yesterday, I took us through how to execute an order. After your analysis and you clearly know what you want to do, you just come here and execute your order. Okay. So you execute your order. Remember, buy is long, sell is short. Bring your BTC, select isolated. I told you earlier, say if you select cross means that it will take any money in your wallet, in this particular Bybit wallet, to execute your trade. But if you use isolate, you're saying that this money I brought into trading here is the only money I can use. So every other money you have is safe. Then you can now come and set up your order. If you want market execution, click this. If you want limit execution, that means you want to buy when price get to a certain value. So you need to know exactly what price you're buying, right? So you need to know what price you're buying. At the moment, price is at 102,550, right? Okay, great. What price will I buy or sell? Assuming I want to sell here, I cannot come and set a penny order here. That when price gets here, I will sell. What's the price? This price is 103770, right? Okay. So guys, that's how to place order in Bybit using feature trade. Remember, you make profit only when market you predict correctly and price go in your direction. Otherwise, you lose your money. And secondly, reduce your leverage if you want to be successful here. Don't over leverage your account. It's the easiest way to lose your account. And finally, stay with strategy that works for you. Remember that patience is part of your strategy. Any question? Okay. In answer to no question, I think this is what we'll call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.